All right. So everybody, I just thought maybe I would change something up a little bit and play some uh cleaning simulator. It's some simulator. I don't know. I guess we're just gonna get to it. That's kind of annoying though. Can I change the direction? Wait a minute. Okay, so that is spraying just a little bit more. Okay. Oh, am I washing the paint off? Is that what's going on? Am I spraying the paint off right now? Hold on. We gotta watch and make sure I'm not spraying it. Oh, am I? Am I spraying the paint off right now? Use R to rotate the nozzle. Oh, that's what I wanted. That is what I wanted, bro. Did I just break that light? I swear I'm breaking this vehicle. I'm putting too much water in it. Am I cleaning this clean? Here. If I shoot this long enough, will it break the glass? Why does it still look filthy though? How much pressure do I need? I don't understand. Wait. Hold on. Is that the color of the vehicle? This dark blue? This dark blue right here? Or does it eventually fade away? Let's look over here. Did it fade away? Yeah, it did. Okay. You can jump. Okay, got that clean. Alright. Come on, give it to me, baby. Come on, clean it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's E. There we go. I'm so confused as to what the color is and if this color is the color of the vehicle or is it paint coming off. Guess I'll just spray this till it's clean, till it dinks at me. Because I'm putting some hardcore pressure on this thing. Oh, I can right click and it'll keep going. I can just move around. But here's the thing though. This thing is spotless on the top. Why isn't it not dinging? I'm just so confused right now. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Now it dinked. Okay. Making you wet, bro. There's that. Okay, so this one is getting more, but it's just smaller. Did the front end dink? Okay, there's that light. I've already gotten the dinks out of those, didn't I not? Wait, can I do some drawings? Yes, I can. I'm a horrible drawer. Just ignore me. Come on, will you give me the dink? It's done. Hold on, maybe not. There it goes. Not dinked. These colors are what throws me off. You need to think some phenomenal. I thought Thomas for Tyler Tiller, and she's never looked back. Who the fuck is that? Why is it spelt like that? Why is Tyler spelt like that? What? Why is her name spelt like that? That's a horrible way of spelling Tyler. It makes sense though, don't get me wrong. Just throws me off. I need another dink. Oh, I got a little spot over here. Okay, so the front end looks to be clean. Okay. Okay, so this is supposed to be like relaxing. Like, I started with it being filthy and now it's not. And so I'm so much happier now. I am looking to be just about done with this vehicle here. Damn it, I keep accidentally right clicking. Oh my god, I'm getting this thing off. Rotate it. Ooh. Ooh. I like that. The sound of that dinking. Okay. So we're about do 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 do. Do I need to rotate this more like this? Oh, that one really cut. There must be a missing spot. I don't think I've ever gotten the dink from this vehicle. We gotta look. Gotta look though, because I'm curious as to where the other dinks are. Wait, did I shoot that cap off? Did I shoot that off? What is that? Why is it on the ground? Wait, can I squat down? The tires don't look filthy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? Oh, there's that tire. That tire's done. How many more tires do I need? Wait, change two? Oh my god. What? 40-degree nozzle? Hold on. I'm just checking this out. Oh, there goes that ding. What was that? What the fuck did I just shoot? Did I get a dink from this thing? I don't ever remember getting a dink. Like I said, this whole car looks clean. I mean, I could spray it again just to make sure I didn't miss anything, but I doubt it. I got the whole car. Unless there's something up on the top. Which I doubt. We can spray the top just to make sure. But I thought I got it. I thought I got everything on the top, didn't I? I got this, right? I got the dink here. I'm just so confused. I'm confused right now. What am I missing? This whole vehicle is completed. Bumpers to do. Bumpers, the grill. Oh, there was a dink there. Okay, the bumper. Wing mirrors. Okay, I didn't get those. There's that one. Okay. There's that one. The grill. But the grill looks complete. There it goes. Okay, and then the bumper. The bumper? I've already gotten the bumper. The bumper's already I've already got the dink from the bumper. What part am I missing? What am I... Left control, change the stance. Okay. So you can get down low. I don't see how that's going to help me, though. Rotate it. I am so confused right now. I don't know unless there's something at the front that I need to get. I mean, I can keep trying. Oh, there it goes. Damn. Alright. Press escape. Okay, to open up the tablet. Is it watching? That's a little creepy. It literally watched me spraying this car down. That's weird. I don't really like the feeling of that. How do I know these rocks are completed? Press space to jump? What am I, a spaceship? Am I on another planet? I should not be able to jump that high. Alright. I guess we're gonna... Oh, I moved. I moved. Ah! God damn it. I'm trying to just keep it straight to where all I have to do is just go back and forth. Just trying to get this one little piece at a time. But obviously I keep fucking up. Ah! Motherfucker. Get what's up here. I like these laces. They're just so easy. You just kind of like go around it in circles. Ah, I'm making myself dizzy. Fuck. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just easy, gentle strokes. Easy, gentle strokes will get the job done. Said no one ever. Spray this. Wait, so I can like draw my name or write my name down? Just slightly. Golly, this is gonna take forever, bro. Rotate. Yeah, talk about lasting forever. This one's gonna last the longest. If I was to do, if I was just to use this. This one's just like a tickle. It looks like. You want to be tickled? I can tickle you. See, look how much longer that takes to get off the board, though. Like, look. See, it's not completely clean. I don't think, right? Got that one. I got one dink. Got one dink. Got that dink. I didn't get any dinks from this one. Why didn't I get a dink for this lace? Is it this little spot right here? Where's the dink? Where'd the dink go? I had a dink. Where'd it go? Rotate it, getting up here. There's that dink. I got a dink. So... oh, there's that dink. There's that dink. Wait, I don't have to spray this, do I? No, I don't think I have to spray that. Just... God damn. I have to clean this? It actually looks better with it being filthy, though. It just looks dirty still. You may as well just leave it alone. Why is it that, they can't do this? Wouldn't it save them money to use their own water and their own pressure washer to wash their own shit? And how would you ever want to get your yard this filthy? Like, why? Why would you ever let your backyard get this gross? Oh my Jesus. There's just so much to clean. There's just so much to clean right now. Why are you letting your yard get this filthy? I don't understand. I don't get this. This just makes no sense to me. This is just like, wow. This is only the second level, guys. Like, the second level. The second level in this career. That's how crazy this is. What the fuck? Why? Why? You're horrible. Why am I not gonna get paid for this? And if I am gonna get paid, well, there's footprints. I'm just trying to figure out why they can't do this themselves for gallons and gallons and gallons of water, because, you know, that's how much I'm using to clean up their fucking yard, because they can't do it themselves. How do I know that how did I know that it's dinked? Like, not dinked, but like I just I sprayed in here. So am I waiting for a dink for the whole thing? Or is it just for certain areas? Because they break it down, right? Where's my progress bar? Oh, no, wait, hold on. Now you section that? Does this need to be sprayed again? Oh my god, that's going away. That's going away. I need to get 15 degrees, 0 degree. Do I need to get one of these? Well, it looks like we found something else. More to clean. What I've already sprayed, I have to respray it again because of the fucking rocks. The rocks are supposed to look like that. That's just part of being of having rocks. That's the design of the rocks. I don't get that. Give me a form of a dink. I need a dink. I need to feel like what I'm doing is accomplishing something. I need a dink. What have I missed? What have I missed? I just need some kind of form of authorization. Like, hey, buddy, your time is not being wasted. You're doing a good job, bro. Okay, I got that. I'm like looking at the find wall, and it looks like I missed something. I got it. I fucking got it. I got this whole spot cleaned. What am I supposed to do? Rip the roof off the top of the doghouse and spray the inside of it? Why is it telling me that it's not completed yet? I just found more to spray. Are you kidding me, bro? You want me to open this door and spray the other side too? This game is killing me. It goes from spraying a car and cleaning it to spraying the whole backyard of a fucking house. Ellie. Okay. So look, you have to wash the lawnmower too. Look at this. What kind of job did you accept to have to spray the lawnmower? You're gonna drown it. You're gonna ruin the mower. Sorry, I'm not talking much. I'm just focused. There it goes. There's that one. This one need to be done like that too. Yep. Cool. What about this one? Did I get this one already? I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. I'm gonna get the most of it. But it is relieving pressure. Like, it is lower pressure, so... But it is a bigger nozzle, meaning it'll take up more